trail in the back with the motherfucking muscle. I spend 250 on a brand new whip. Pull on your shit and we deal. Fuck on the beat, we can't tell. Having more guns, detail. Both in the trap and I make the whole sack do backflip. Don't get the gang and we go fuck a sack field. Like, yeah, I was in jail and I ran a hotel. Nigga turn bitches so I cut out my pills. Free my mind, we gon' get to the pill. My little niggas stay on point, they know the drill. Pepper right eating, now we don't miss a meal. Running in water, but then out of sight. Free all my dollars, the motherfucking counter. 30K, I went and bust down my dumb. Never some tipping designer, this shit here is stress. Jump on my awesome, we aim for the temple. Yeah, got out of jail and went got me a chick. Ain't no nigga fucking with me, you can bet. Play with my gang and your shit to get red. These niggas real bitches, I treat them like pets. Post in the hood with a 50 in the vest. I'm on AB with the sack at the west. Cut me some bread, put this shit on your head. I ain't fuck, I might need me a spade. I'm swerving these bitch while I'm taking these meds. Not talking about money, then fuck what you say. Nigga fuck in the bed, yeah, make back, feel the real president. Making that water, but then out of sunshine. Free all my dollars, the motherfucking count. Pay my shit and I make it look something.
I used to be broke, you know, remember? Y'all don't understand that. You feel me? Well, it's your boy 1MSB in the building, man. And to my left, we have
Bills.
me.
What?
We got Bills in the building, man. And today, we have another reaction for you guys, man. One from Memphis this time. We got Glock, Loco music video reaction for you guys, man. And I ain't gonna waste any more time on this one, because we here to have a good time today. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it, man. Let's not waste any more time. And let's get it cracking, man. It's this video.
I'm a son. Go back to the beginning.
Okay. Oh man.
What's the biggest shit in the world? Shit inside it. Yeah, I thought I saw it. Yeah. Oh, from them videos.
Yeah.
Who requested this? Not you. It's gonna be a long reaction video. A lot of pausing on.
Scratch. I don't know anything, officer. We just went for the song.
Oh my days.
Yeah.
Look, bro, on a pills, he tweaking. I just borrowed this bitch for the weekend. Michael Jackson bad, I beat it. I be pimping these hoes, no secret. I be switching these hoes out weekly. I be running that money up daily. It's only one of my exes hate me. Drive a hoe crazy like Miss Daisy. Talk about Loco.
I don't know where to look, man. There's so much going on.
Everything's circular, everything's round, everything's bubble.
God damn, you have a good time, huh?
Oh God. Am I with them?
Exes hate me. Drive a hoe crazy like Miss Daisy. Talk about Loco. I ain't going for shit. I got them sticks in a Rari photo. You know I put money over bitches. That's and then she me or something. She don't like brocos. She got full of dumb. Julio suck it in slow mo. Go. I just popped the G around 3. I'm on go.
Damn!
I just went deep.
Whoa! Money and women?
In America, who'd have thought?
This is ridiculous. This video is an abomination.
Around 3, I'm on go. I just went deep, super deep. She wants some more. She hopped on top and float. Yeah, she ride it like a slope. Yeah, she ride it like a bike. They like it, you rolling glitz like she. Bitch, I might.
Damn.
That little shit was hitting. I had to get up in it.
Oh.
Yeah, that shit twice is nice.
He gets so lit in the booty.
Check and see if it's real.
Oh my days, what is happening, man?
That little shit was hit and I had to get up in it twice. Yeah, that shit twice as nice. Cut those La Familia, we'll rearrange your life. Lil' bro on the pills, he tweaking. I just borrowed this bitch for the weekend.
Damn.
Jackson bad, I beat it. I be pimping these
Brother, did he say he just borrowed her for the weekend? Michael Jackson bad, I beat it, beat it, beat it. That's crazy.
Secret. I be switching these hoes out weekly. I be running that money up daily. It's only one of my exes hate me. Drive a whole car. I ain't going for shit. I got them sticks in a Rari photo. You know I put money over bitches. That's the bro code. This bitch thinking that she me or something. She don't like bro codes. She got full of dumb. Julio suck it and slow.
Yo, his friends are going insane.
Freaking
Doing all sorts.
I've never seen sex dolls like that, bro.
Same. Oh, so you endorse the BBLs, huh?
Please. What's with the censorship bars, like little Epstein bars, like we can't see what's going on.
The redacted reports.
Basically nude already, man.
Yeah.
That's what you like in America, that's what you guys do.
He just doing that so we can react to it. Basically. Oh my days.
It's not a music video, it's a strip club.
Yeah.
Someone's put a camera in the shop. Who's someone mama there, man? Who might?
Yo, that is so deep.
Oh.
He's dropping the album. That's gonna go off. That's gonna go
Well, that was interesting. I
off.
don't think we've ever paused the video so much.
There was a lot going on, man. There was a lot going on. That's crazy. That was a tune though, but the video was insane.
Yeah, the video was much more interesting than the song. That snippet at the end though, I fuck with that.
That snippet was hard.
That was good, man.
But dude, that album's probably gonna go off. I can't wait. But yeah, man, that was our reaction to Key Glock, Loco music video reaction. Funny how the song name matches the video. Crazy, pretty much. But yeah, if you enjoyed that reaction, man, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, man. All that good stuff, man. If you have any recommendations, leave a comment down below, and we'll get to it as soon as possible. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, until next time, peace.